Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hero by Foo Fighters on guitar. We'll start immediately with the main riff, which is super recognizable. You'll primarily use power chords like E5, A5, and D5. Pay close attention to your strumming hand for that driving rhythm and subtle palm muting. Getting this foundational riff down perfectly sets the stage for the entire song, so let's dive right in and get those fingers moving. Moving on from the main riff, the verse sections often shift to more open, ringing chords. You'll typically find shapes like E minor, C major, G major, and D major here. Focus on making your chord changes clean and seamless between these four. Then, as we approach the pre-chorus, the song builds a little tension with some slightly altered voicings, preparing us for the big chorus. It's a great dynamic shift. Now for the powerful chorus. This is where the song really opens up. You'll be hitting those big, open power chords with a more aggressive and full strumming pattern to create that anthemic sound. Think about really digging in with your pick. Following the chorus, the bridge section provides a fantastic dynamic contrast. It introduces a slightly different chord progression, offering a moment of reflection before building back up to the final choruses. It's a key part of the song's journey. Finally, let's talk about the solo and the outro. The solo in Hero is incredibly melodic and memorable, often utilizing the E minor pentatonic scale. Focus on your bending and vibrato techniques to really make those notes sing and give it that expressive, vocal quality. As the song winds down, the outro usually brings us back to a repetition of either the main riff or the powerful chorus progression, providing a strong, definitive ending. Keep practicing those core elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.